What if you're alone, without food, in the wilderness, in a real emergency situation? Survival skills can be crucial. Today, I'll show you how to build a simple emergency trap with minimal resources. For this emergency trap, you only need a few things: sturdy branches, some string, and a pocket knife. The principle is ingeniously simple. But never forget, this technique is intended for absolute emergencies and is not a free pass for capturing wild animals. Always inform yourself about the laws in your area and always act responsibly. A makeshift trap rarely works perfectly the first time. A test run reveals weak points. This information can be used to fine-tune the design, material selection, or placement. The goal is to maximize the trap's efficiency and increase the catch rate, which can be life-saving in a survival situation. This is how simple knowledge can save lives in an emergency.